Now, in today's class, we were going to continue our worksheet. The worksheet which we were doing in the last class. We are done till the question number 20. Now we are moving towards the question number 21. What does question number 21 is saying? Question number 21 is saying us that dash is used to enter audio in the computer. Dash is used to enter audio in the computer. So what do we use to enter the audio? Microphone, joystick, or speaker. Which device we use? There are three devices mentioned in the answer that we use microphone to enter the audio in the computer, we use joystick to enter the audio in the computer, or we use speaker to enter audio in the computer. What do you think? Okay, so Eham, Jad Muhammad, Ahmad Jibreel, three students sent the correct answer with the correct spelling also. Okay, that's good. And Kareem Mohammed also give the right answer. What about the others? Only four students sent the correct answer. It's Kareem, Eham, Jayad, and Ahmad Jibril. What about others? You guys can also send the answer in the chat. So after Kareem Mohammed, we have Ayad Khalid and Kareem Nasir. Anas Al Sayyed. That's good. Okay. So all these guys give the correct answer. The correct answer is the correct answer is microphone. The correct answer is microphone. So the names which I took, all these guys send the correct answer. The correct answer is microphone. The short form of microphone is mic, M-I-C. The short form of microphone is mic, it's M-I-C. And microphone is used to enter audio into the computer. Along with all these students, Jihad Al Sayyed also sent the correct answer. That's good to all of those students who sent the correct answers. Question number 22. What does question number 22 is saying? Question number 22 is telling us that audio means only sound, voice without. Okay. So audio means only sound or a voice, without video, or without words. Very good. This time Jihad Al Sayyed sent the answer first. That's good, Jihad. Ahmad Jibrail, Eham. Only three students sent the answer till now. Very good, Karim Nasir. So Karim Nasir, Eham, Ahmad Jibrail, and Jihad Al Sayyed. Audio means what? Audio means a sound or a voice without video, without words, or without voice. If you see this question carefully, so the voice option is not fit in that because we already wrote the voice. So ultimately, there are only two options, option B and C. So, along with the Karim Nasir, Ayad Khalid, Jayad, Karim Muhammad also sent the correct answer. Karim Muhammad, kindly check your answer, please. All the other students sent the correct one. Karim Muhammad, kindly check your answer, please. So, the correct answer is sent by Jayad, Ayad, Karim Nasir, Eham, and Jihad Al Sayyed. There are two students. The one name is Jihad Muhammad and the other one is Jihad Al Sayyed. Okay, Jihad Muhammad, kindly check your answer. And Kareem. Okay. Anas Al Sayyed and Kareem Mohammed. You guys kindly check your answer, please. Now, for example, I'm just giving you the example. For example, when we listen a song or any music, for example, we are listening it from our mobile and we are using the headphones. We are going somewhere and we are using the headphone and we are listening the song. At that time, can we see the video? No, because those songs which we are listening in the headphones without the video, those songs are called as the audio songs, the songs which doesn't have a picture, only the voice is there, so it's audio. Technically, it is called as a MP3. MP3 means a song which doesn't have a video, just a voice or a sound is there. So those are audio songs, and technically they are called MP3. Okay. So the right answer is B. Anas Al Sayyed, check your answer. Kareem Mohammed. Good. Kareem Mohammed picked the hint. Very good, Kareem Mohammed. So it's a B. B. The answer is video. Very good, Jihad Ahmed. So the answer is B, video. The answer is B, VDO. So the audio means a sound or a voice without the video. So the right answer for the question number 22 is B, video. Moving towards the question number 23, what does question number 23 is saying? Question number 23 is saying dash enables a user dash enables a user to draw images and graphics. So images means the pictures with the help of keyboard or with the help of graphic tablet. It's very easy. What we can use to draw pictures and graphics or images and graphics. So which we will use, graphic tablet or the keyboard? We all use the paint. Is it easy to use the paint with the keyboard or with the graphic tablet? So which one is the easiest one? We can use our graphic tablet to paint, to use the paint. So which thing would be the easy one, graphic tablet or the keyboard? So till now we have Jihad Muhammad, Ayad Khalid. Jihad sent the answer at the first. Jihad, Ayad, Ahmad Usama. Then we have Anas Al Sayyed, Eham, Ahmad Jibrail. That's good. So these guys are sending the right answer. What about the others? Ahmad Mohammed. Excellent, Ahmad Mohammed. Hamza. That's nice. Very good, Hamza. And very good, Ahmad Mohammed. So others can also send the answer. Kareem Mohammed, give the correct answer. It's very easy. If you pick the hint, see there is a word graphics is there. There is a word graphics is there. So the hint is there. Hint is already there. Okay. So as I told you in the last class that, okay. So now Ahmad Usama, Kareem Mohammed. Okay. Ahmad Mohammed. So the right answer is very much easy. It's a graphic tablet. It's a graphic tablet. Okay. So the answer for the question number 23 is graphic tablet, option B. Option B. Now, question number 24 is there. What does question number 24 is saying to us? Question number 4 is telling us that a dash is used to write or draw on a graphic tablet. So what we use? A dash is used to write or draw on a graphic tablet, computer or touchscreen input devices. What we use? Graphic tablet, we use stylus, we use keyboard, we use joystick. Which thing we will use to draw on graphic tablet, on computer or on touch screen? You can consider it a graphic tablet. Okay, this one, graphic tablet and touch screen or touch screen. You can consider it like this. So which thing we will use to draw on graphic tablet? Okay, so that's great. So many students send the correct answer in the chat. Yes, Eham, you are right. Okay, so let me take the name. It's Eham, Ahmad Jibrail, Jihad Muhammad, Ayad, Kareem Muhammad, Ahmad Muhammad. Then we have Anas Al Sayyed, Eham, Jihad Al Sayyed, Anas Al Sayyed. Okay, all these guys sent the correct answer. So to which device we will use to draw on graphic tablet? We use stylus, we use keyboard, we use joystick, or we use the graphic tablet. So as you know, there is a graphic tablet already written. So the option graphic tablet is a wrong option. So what about the option B, C, and D? So the right answer is the names which I took. All these guys sent the right answer. The right answer is stylus. The right answer is stylus. Okay. So the right answer is stylus for the question number 24. Option D is the correct answer for the question number 24. So everybody should write question number 24. The right answer is stylus, option D. Now we are moving towards the next. The next question is the last question of that worksheet. The question is saying, the question is saying, Collapad. Collapad was the first dash developed for home use. Collapad is something, was the first dash. So, what is that something? It is what? It is a graphic tablet, it is a joystick, it is a keyboard, or it is a stylus. So, Koala Pad was the first graphic tablet, was the first joystick, was the first keyboard, was the first stylus. So, you can also give the answer by typing A, B, C, and D. Okay, so we have Al Humam. That's good, Al Humam. Okay. Check your answer, please, Al Humam. Okay, that's nice. The students, everybody should send the answer for only once. So who sent us the answer? It's Kareem Mohammed. We have Ahmad Usama, Ahmad Jibrail, Hamza, Kareem Nasir, Ayad Khalid, Jayad Mohammed, Anas Al Sayyed. Very good, Ammar Khalid, Ahmad Usama. Then we have Hamza, Ayad, and Eham. Eham, kindly check your answer, please. Yes, Eham's answer is correct. Eham's answer is correct. That's good, Eham. Eham, Jihad Al Sayyed, and Kareem Nasir. All these guys sent the correct answer. The names which I took, all these guys give the correct answer. Okay. So, the correct answer for this question is graphic tablet. Graphic tablet is the right answer for the question number 25. Graphic tablet is the right answer for the question number 25. So the right answer is graphic tablet. Graphic tablet is the right answer for question number 25. Okay. So now everybody, everybody should write the answer for the question number 25, the option A, the graphic tablet. Okay. So let's see the option. Let me repeat the answers for all the questions. The keyboard is an input device. Question number one. Answer is keyboard is an input device. Input is the right answer for question number one. Keyboard is used to enter words, data, numbers. So it is used to enter data. It is used to enter data. The answer for the question number two is data. The third question is the keyboard was help us to type text. Text is the right answer for question number three. And then we have the most widely used keyboard is known as QWERTY. It's QWERTY. So it is the most widely used keyboard pattern or the keyboard. The answer is QWERTY. Okay. The question number five. Answer is special because keyboard has special number and alphabet keys. Then, then question number six is very easiest one. Longest key is space bar. Space bar is the answer for question number six. Okay. Then the next one. There are two enter keys in the keyboard or on the keyboard. Okay, so two is the right answer for question 7. Question 8 answer is there are two shift keys. There are two shift keys. So shift is the right answer for question 8. Question 9. Enter key is used to dash data. It is used to enter data. Okay. It is used to enter data into the computer. Space bar is used to insert space. It is used to insert space between the words. So as name shows, it is used to insert space. Question number 10 answer is space. Question number 11 answer is all of them, because we can use the erase backspace key to erase, delete, or remove the text. Dash key is used to type capital letters. It's a shift. Question 12 answer is shift. The standard keyboard has 104 keys. It's 104 keys. And mouse is a pointing device because it has a pointer. So question number 12 answer is shift. Question number 13 answer is 104. Question number 14 the answer is mouse. Question number 15, mouse is used to point at words, icons on screen and select them. It's true. It's true. Yes, because it controls the pointer. It controls the pointer. With the help of mouse, we can move cursor on the screen. We can select an icon by double clicking the left button. Okay, dash means pressing and holding the left mouse button over an icon. It's called dragging. So question number 16 answer is cursor. Question number 17 answer is double. Question number 18 answer is dragging. Then two questions are left. Question number 19. Enter is a special key and an image of a computer command or function is called icon. So question number 19 answer is B, the special, and question number 20 answer is icon, the option A. So in this we are done with this worksheet. Now everybody of you done with all the answers of this worksheet? Are you guys done with all the
Yes,
answers
sir.
of this worksheet?
Sure.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so that's good.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's good. Now, after this period, what you have to do? After this period, you just have to click the picture. You just have to take a snap of that worksheet which you have done and just send me the picture in the class light. Okay, in the mail, in the class light. I am repeating this sentence once again. We are done with this worksheet. So, after completing this worksheet, what you have to do after this period, you have to take a picture of that worksheet that you have done and send it to me in the class light in mail. Okay, now everybody open the book. Everybody open the computer book and everybody open the page number 45. Everybody open the page number 45. Everybody open the page number 45, please. You guys open the page number 45 and let me open the file here. Okay, everybody open the page number 45. Okay, so did you guys see my screen? Did you all guys see my screen?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So on the page number 45, on the page number 45, we are going to start the chapter 6. The chapter number 6 is telling us about the paint with whiz. The name of the chapter is Paint with Whiz. So in this, as its name shows, we are going to use the software Paint. We are going to use the software Paint in this chapter. But before doing this one, but before doing this one, we get to know something about the paint. As the name of the word, the name of the chapter, the name of the topic is telling us about the drawing. We know very well that we do the paint. We use the paint to make pictures, to draw pictures, to put the color in them. So drawing and coloring with paint is a fun. Yes, it's a fun. Whenever you are using it, it's a fun to put the color in the pictures. The different tools. Tools are options. Tools are options in the ribbon. Tools are options in the ribbon. As I told you in the previous lessons, that ribbon is present in word processing software. I will show you the ribbon for the paint also. But right now we are seeing there are different tools. Tools are the options. These options help us to make the beautiful picture. Whatever we are doing on the paint, we can do, change, edit, erase, or can make a picture. So we can cut, erase, delete, or we can enhance or edit the picture with the help of paint. So the paint has different tools. It has different options. Different commands are given. We just have to click on that and then we will make the pictures. So now let's see the paint. Now let's see the paint. Did you guys see my screen? The paint screen? Did you guys see it?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
Yes,
as
sir.
you guys are seeing my screen,
Yes, sir.
on this screen there is a paint software is open. The paint software is open. What does this software do? It is used to draw, to paint, or to make things. There are so many things we can make, but before making or drawing anything, first see its tools. Where are the tools given? If you see at the top, if you see at the top, there are some options given. These options, I am mentioning them in the red block. This red block is a ribbon. If you see, there are so many options available. There is clipboard, there is image, there are tools, there are brushes, there are shapes, and then we have a color. So the clipboard is basically used for copy and paste. The image, if we have to make the picture bigger or smaller, we can use this resize or rotate. Then there are some tools, then we have brush, then we have shapes, and then we have some colors. We can select or create our own color also. So there are some colors given. So this is a ribbon, this is a ribbon, this is a ribbon. So ribbon contains all the options. Ribbons contains all the options. Now, now if you see there, it is a ribbon. Let me write the name. Okay. Let me mark it here. there are three things. The first one we saw, it's a ribbon. The first one we saw, it's a ribbon. So ribbon contains all the options for the drawing. Ribbon are in available in every editing software. And then if you see this arrow showing a quick access toolbar. It's a quick access toolbar. It contains some tools. Okay, it contains some tools. These tools are available at the top leftmost corner. If you see options, undo, save, and redo, some options are given at the top. And then the third arrow. This white screen, let me change the color. This white screen you see, this one. This white screen you see in which we can draw the things. The white screen you see in which we draw the things, this area is basically called as a drawing area. I mentioned it in the blue color. So this area is called as the drawing area. In this we can draw the things. In this we can draw the things whatever we are doing. So there are three things. The one is ribbon, it contains all the options. Then we have a drawing area, and then we have the quick access toolbar. Where are they? Where are they? So if you see, the quick access toolbar is at the top. The ribbon is also the top, but under the quick access toolbar. And then this white area in which we are typing or drawing. So it is a drawing area. It is a drawing area. It is used to draw the things. So there are so many shapes available. There are so many shapes available in the drawing area. So let me clear the screen. Let's see some options. Let's see some options. If you see here, if you see here, here we are some options given. There are some options. We use these options. These are the basic options. Without these options, we can't able to use the paint. We can't able to use the paint. The first and the most important, the first and the most important one is the pencil. The first and the most important one is the pencil. For example, I clicked on it. You see, it's clicked. Now I'm moving my cursor on the screen. It's showing the pencil. For example, I start drawing. So it's showing that it's a pencil. It's a pencil. It's showing the pencil. Now we can draw things with the pencil. For example, we are drawing the mountains with the help of pencil. I am drawing it. Okay, you can also draw it, it's up to you. Okay, with the lines, with the help of circles, with the help of brushes, we can draw the different things. So I made some mountains with the help of a pencil. For example, I don't need pencil or don't want to use pencil, then we can use one more thing. What is the other thing we can use to draw the mountain? We can use this shape. Okay, for example, I clicked on this shape. I click on this shape. Now my cursor become this. In this way, I can also make the mountains like this. You see, I am making the mountain with the help of these lines. Or I can also make the shape. I can also make the shape with the help of this. See, I am making the shape. So the shapes and the lines are there. So these are the two basic, the line and the pencil. These are the two basic steps. The first one is the most basic, it's the pencil. Without pencil, it's not easy to use the paint because it helps you a lot. So this is the first step. The first thing we saw today for the paint is a pencil. And we talked about the paint, why we use it. Okay, so there is an assignment waiting for you in the class light. Everybody open that assignment. The time of the period is finished. We will meet in the next class, inshallah. So, bye everyone.